Hello everyone. Today we are going to study a problem on development of cylinder from the subject mechanical working drawing, that is MWM, of SY Mechanical. And the problem statement is a cylinder of base diameter 50 mm and axis 65 mm is resting with its base on horizontal plane. A cutting plane 40° to HP cuts the cylinder passing through a point on the axis which is 40 mm above the base. Draw the development of surface for the truncated cylinder. In this problem statement, what is given? A cylinder having diameter 50 and axis 65, which is resting on HP. That means the cylinder is resting or it is kept on horizontal plane, or in simple language we can say a cylinder is resting on ground floor. Okay. The diameter of cylinder 50 means radius of the circle is 25 mm and axis length, or we can say height is 65 mm, resting on base on its resting on its base on the ground floor, and this cylinder is cut by an auxiliary inclined plane, or we can say cutting plane. What an angle? 40°. The inclined plane, cutting plane, is inclined at 40° to horizontal plane. And where is the location which cuts the cylinder through point 40 mm above the base? Means you have to take the point 40 mm from base. Total length is, axis length is 65 from the base. So we have to cut that cylinder with the help of cutting plane by taking a distance 40 mm from the ground floor. Is it? And the question is, draw the DLS, or development of lateral surface of the cylinder. Is it? Now see, first of all, just draw one circle having the diameter 40 mm, and you have to draw the height 65 mm. Just take it 65. So make equal parts of circle in top view. And just draw the generator according to the points. You have to give numbering or naming in top view and front view. We know that in top view we are giving the names A, B, C, D, or 1, 2, 3, 4, and in front view we are giving the names capital A dash, B dash, C dash, and if number is there then 1 dash, 2 dash, likewise. So it is front view and top view of a cylinder. Now take the development distances. We know that in development we are giving the names as capital A, capital B, capital C, and capital D. And the length is pi d. मेथड पण आपण बघूयात. pi d means 3.14 into diameter 40. So we will get the exact value. One more method is there. You can take any distance at any angle and mark 8 points at any distance and just join at the end point. This is the first year graphics. In first year graphics, we have studied this method, how to make equal parts of a line having any dimensions. Or just give the equal spacing in between these lines, these parallel lines. Now the next question is, we have drawn front view, top view and development of the cylinder, and the next question is, it is cut by an cutting plane. Distance is given 40 mm from the base. So you have to take at 40 mm, an angle is given of the power plane. Okay, we have cutted it from the angle given. We have cut it from the angle given and just give the names accordingly: P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. Or else if you want to give P dash, Q dash, P1 dash, P2 dash, P3 dash, you can give. And just mark these points on the respective numbers. For example, from this point, T point is cut on the line E, then you have to take the projection on E, is it, or on the 5. So this is the point T. You give the capital name. Likewise, you have to draw all these respective points. S and W points will be on the line 4 and 6, or D and F. Similarly, R point will be on C or 3, C3 line, and 7 9 line, G and 7 dash. Similarly, all points Q and W will be on B and H. And P point will be on A and A. So we have got all these points. Just join this with smooth curve. If possible, you should join it with the help of French curve and make all lines dark under this curve, under these points. All lines should be dark, which is the part of cylinder. And join this curve with smooth or free hand, or you should use the French curve. So make difference in dark lines and dotted and faint lines. So this is the problem of cylinder resting on horizontal plane and cut by an auxiliary inclined plane or cutting plane at an angle. Okay. So in this lecture we solve the problem of cylinder.